Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. Now we are at the final part of the subseries, client browser cookie. In this video, we will see how to use multi-valued cookies and what is its need. A browser can store up to 20 cookies for a domain. To overcome this, one can use multi-valued cookies. In multi-valued cookie, a key can have one or more subkeys, right? So this way we can overcome this limitation of 20 keys. In this video, we will create a key called person with 3 subkeys. Browser will see this as a single key, but here you can see that we are going to store 3 values because we have 3 subkey, right? Under one key person, right? Here we are talking about person, right? We can create a subkey for this person. So this will make cookie more organized, and at the same time we can store more values, right? Say for example, person, right? Person's date of birth, person's sex, and person's age, right? So likewise, you can store multiple values in the subkeys. Alright, now let's go to the demo and see how we are using the multi-valued cookies. Alright, now we will create one more web form. Add new item, web form, right? Visual C++ web form, and we will name this web form as multi-valued cookie. Alright, now this div is just a placeholder. We can even remove that and add the controls. So inside the form, if you see, we have added few controls, right? First we added a label, person name, then we have the text box, then we added a static. Here this is not a ASP.NET server-side control, we just kept a static label age, right? After that we have a text box, then we have a static text 6. After that we have a text box. Finally we are having 2 buttons, one is button set and another one is button get. Now let's go to the code for set. We will handle the set button click event. So if you see, by this time you are well aware that the web server will send the request to the browser to store cookie. So response, in the response object we are accessing the cookies collection. We are in the sense the web browser is accessing the, web server is accessing the cookies collection. Here this is the main key person and name is subkey. This way, if you see, here we are using the subkeys age as well as sex for the main key person, right? So even though there is a limitation of 20 browser cookies, using this notation you can store multiple values and you can overcome the limitation of 20 cookies, right? Because here the main cookie is one only, but using the subcookie we are storing 3 cookie values, right? So finally, to the person, to the main cookie, we are setting the expire property, right? And the cookie will live for 1 hour. Alright, this is the way we are setting the cookie. Now we will go back here and get. So the code is simple. The way we set the cookie, the same way here we are reading the cookie, right? from person subkey is name, person subkey age, person subkey sex, and the retrieved values are set in these text boxes. Alright, now let's run this example. We will open one more session and copy this here. Alright, right, here I am setting the key, right, and you can retrieve that because here we are using the multi-valued cookie. The cookie is person, and based on the subkey we are retrieving the name, age and sex and displaying that. Right, now let's run this again and get the value. We can get it. So the cookie will live for 1 hour in this computer. This is the client machine, right? Web server as well as client, both are in the same machine. In real world, you know that web server is located somewhere in the World Wide Web, and when it reaches the client side browser, the session content, I mean the cookies content, will get stored. Alright, we are ending this sub-series. I think now you have an idea of what is cookie and how you can easily read and write the value as well as set the expiration for the cookie on the client browser. That's all here in this video. We are ending this sub-series. Thank you for watching. Bye.